Railways. NID renewed design pact to transform travel experience. The Ministry of Railways and the National Institute of Design NID, Ahmedabad, have renewed their partnership for 2025 to 2035 through a fresh MOU, reinforcing their commitment to design-led innovation in Indian Railways. The Railway Design Centre (RDC) at NID will continue to drive research, development, and implementation of cutting-edge design solutions aimed at enhancing passenger experience and operational efficiency. The initiative brings together young designers, researchers, and industry experts to co-create visionary transport solutions for the future. Report Bilkul Online.